Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I have a haul for you today from a couple of companies. First of all, I wanted to alert you to the fact that Fun Stamper's Journey, which is on the Spellbinders Paper Arts website now because they're no longer a separate company, they are going away, and so things are being rebranded and changed. Their cardstock is my favorite cardstock out of any company I've tried. It is an 80-pound weight, it's nice and smooth, it's perfect for card bases, and it's perfect for die cutting and layering. I love it so much, and I love the colors. It is going away, so right now I went in and got a lot of my favorite colors, or multiples of my favorite colors, and I'll probably go back some more and get some more, and maybe they'll go down in price. Let's hope for that. But it's 25 sheets, and they're $6.95 a package, which is a good price. So I purchased 2 of this light gray, which is tin pale, so pretty. I purchased 3 of the banana cream. It is my favorite light yellow that seems to go with, when I get Echo Park, anything, this color always seems to go with what I'm doing. So I'm going to be upset when I'm out of that because it's no more. Limeade Splash, which is a beautiful mid-tone green. And Watermelon Fusion, which is sort of a mid-tone pink, which is really pretty. Now they are getting new paper, Spellbinders is. And it is a 110-pound weight. And so I tried a sample pack of it on their wholesale site. I can order from that wholesale site, and I tried a sample pack, and I'm not going to be using it. I might make card bases out of it, but it is too heavy, which means it's going to crack easily, and it's too heavy for die cuts to layer on top of card bases. I didn't care for it, and it is $6.99 for a 10-pack. So it's not something I will be purchasing. So now I'm going to be on the hunt as I start running out of this Fun Stamper's Journey paper for a new company whose paper and colors I like, that's around an 80, 85 weight, 90 at the most. So if you know of anything, let me know. In the meantime, if you want to go buy some of this, I will link below. Hopefully it won't run out too quickly. Okay, my next haul is close to my heart. Some of these things, one of these is not quite available yet, but the others all should be. May 1st it will be available though. This is called Winged Wishes, and it is a stamp and thin cut combo. You can buy just the stamp if you want to, but I always buy the thin cuts because I like to have them. This one says, "My dear friend, sending best wishes," and I just love that birdhouse. So cute. And this little label there for the sentiment. I really love that. Okay, there's one. Here's another stamp and thin cuts. It's from an older card making kit, and it's called Yesterday and Today, and I love all these images. It says, "With heartfelt," and then love, sympathy, sending strength and prayers. I love this one for sympathy cards. So pretty. This is another one that's available. It is the Mothers Are the Best, and it says, "You are the best, Mom. I love my happy," and then Mother's Day. And then it has all these nice layering. So you could stamp a light color and then the darker outline over the top, which I love those. Those kinds of dies. It has the leaves and everything, or those kinds of stamps, I should say. Love that one. Okay, this one is going to be the stamp of the month, so it's not available yet, but isn't this pretty? The way the stamp of the month works with Close to My Heart is if you spend $50, these are stamps that are available for $5. And normally stamps are $14.95, $18.95, so these are a good deal when you can get them. I love this little row like this, and all the sentiments that come with it are really helpful. Okay, the other thing I purchased is a card making kit. This makes 20 cards. There is a template or instruction sheet that comes with these card making kits that you just download. They're available on the website. You just download them, print them out if you want to, or just look at them on your computer, however you want to do that. That has all the cutting instructions. So this one's so cute. There's a happy birthday. There's some florals. I love this zebra. So cute. And the llama and the koala. Sending you hugs. You're the cutest. You're adorable. Hello, friend. Thinking of you. There's a little flower banner, some little things, and I love the little stitching there. So pretty. So this is the stamp set that comes with it. It makes 20 cards. 4 of them are going to be slimline cards. So you get the card bases and the envelopes for both of those. So you've got 16 A2 size, which are standard, and 4 slimline. And here are the papers. I really love these. This is like leaves with the flower in between, and then a crosshatch with this brown color that's so pretty. And this is not showing up very true, I don't think, but there's yellow, and then there's like a light pink, and then that brown. So it all coordinates, and some hearts on the back. I also love these strips with these paper kits like this. You cut those off, and you typically do use them in these when you're making the cards. But on the back, what's my favorite, I save them when I put these papers away because they're going to tell you the colors that are in this. So if you want to match cardstock to any scraps of papers or ink colors, you can do that. And it also say the collection name and, you know, how many sheets were in the collection, that kind of thing, and the year that it was made. So I love this one. These are pretty. This light pink, almost to a coral in some ways, and a yellow, just gorgeous. And then these leaves. So it's got a little bit of a tropical feel with the koala and the zebra. Love this one too. It's like a watercolor looking. And then a yellow plaid. And then this one is almost like a watercolor look, light pink, different shades of pink, and then some polka dots in there. And then on the back is this gorgeous stripe. This would make great baby cards also, new baby cards. I love these colors. Some butterflies and florals, and then that's beautiful. And then it comes with a piece of the blue cardstock and then 2 of the white cardstocks also. So you've got your card bases, your stamp set, everything is there together. I'm going to download the file for this, and then I'm going to come back and make the cards on camera so you can see how easily they go together, which I'm really excited about doing. And then my next video for Close to My Heart will be going through this catalog. I cannot reveal the catalog until May the 1st, so that video will go up May the 1st. But anyway, I'm excited to play with all of my new stuff. I'm sure I'll come back with some great creations. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Happy crafting.